The KitchenAid 12in Nonstick Pan is a solid choice for everyday cooking. It's a 12.25-inch frying pan, which is a good size for most meals. The matte black finish looks nice and feels durable. The pan is made from hard anodized aluminum with a ceramic nonstick coating. This means it heats up evenly and food slides off easily. I've used it for everything from eggs to stir-fries. And it performs well. Cleaning is simple, too. A quick wash with soap and water usually does the trick. It handles pancakes beautifully, making breakfast a breeze. The manual provides basic care instructions, which are easy to follow. For someone looking for a reliable pan, the KitchenAid 12in Nonstick Pan meets basic cooking needs. It's not a fancy, chef-level pan, but it's practical for daily use. The non-stick surface helps preserve the flavor of food, as you don't need excessive oil. The pan is fairly lightweight, making it easy to handle. Data suggests that ceramic nonstick coatings are generally safe, and this pan seems to hold up to that. The value is decent for the price. I didn't find any inventory issues when I bought it, and it arrived in good condition. It's a good tool for kitchen adventures, even if you are not a professional chef. Overall, the KitchenAid 12in Nonstick Pan is a good, functional pan. It's not perfect, but it does what it's supposed to do. It's a good size, heats evenly, and is easy to clean. If you need a reliable pan for everyday cooking, this is a decent option. It's not a Bella or extravagant item, but it is useful. This pan can handle many tasks. Pros: non-stick, easy to clean, good browning, oven safe, great size and shape, delightful for bacon, beautiful color, heats quickly, quality item, simple cleanup, good functionality. Cons: food sticks, discoloration, poor durability, size discrepancy, rivets collect food, not dishwasher safe, premium price, false advertising, frustrating product, poor performance. Features: brand, KitchenAid, material, hard anodized, coating, ceramic nonstick, size, 12.25-inch, type, frying pan, skillet, color, matte black, durable construction, easy to clean, even heating, nonstick surface. The KitchenAid frying pan is a 12.25-inch, matte black skillet made from hard anodized material with a ceramic nonstick coating. It's designed for even heating and easy cleaning, and its nonstick surface helps prevent food from sticking. The pan is built to be durable, making it a reliable tool for everyday cooking. The KitchenAid 12.25-inch frying pan is praised for its non-stick surface, quick heating, and attractive matte black color, making it good for browning and cooking things like bacon. However, some users have found that food can stick, the pan can discolor, and it might not last as long as expected. Also, the size might not be exactly as advertised. Rivets can trap food, and it's not dishwasher safe, which is a problem for some, especially considering the high price.